On February 8, 1989, Independent Air Flight 1851, a Boeing 707-138B crashed into Pico Alto, the highest mountain in Santa Maria, Azores, Portugal. The flight was carrying 137 passengers, all Italian tourists, and 7 crew members, all of whom perished in the incident. The flight had left Bergamo, Italy, 2 hours late due to bad weather. While approaching Santa Maria Airport, air traffic control cleared the aircraft to descend to 3,000 feet for an ILS approach to runway 19. However, a critical miscommunication occurred when the crew misread the altitude clearance. They understood it as 2,000 feet instead of the instructed 3,000 feet. This mistake was compounded by bad weather conditions that obscured visibility. The crash of Flight 1851 remains one of the deadliest aviation incidents in Portugal's history and highlights the importance of clear communication and rigorous training in aviation safety. The Boeing 707-138B departs from Bergamo, Italy, at 12:06 p.m. local time, carrying 144 people, the 137 passengers, and 7 crew members. The flight was delayed due to poor weather conditions at Santa Maria Airport, causing a late departure. The aircraft encountered poor weather, including low visibility due to clouds. As the flight approached Santa Maria, the air traffic controller instructed the crew to descend to 3,000 feet for an ILS approach to runway 19. The crew misunderstood the altitude clearance and thought they were cleared to 2,000 feet instead of the intended 3,000 feet. This error was exacerbated by a miscommunication from a trainee air traffic controller who incorrectly relayed the altimeter setting. As the aircraft descended through 2,000 feet, it entered an area of heavy turbulence. The ground proximity warning system activated, alerting the crew of their dangerously low altitude. However, they failed to react appropriately to these warnings. At approximately 14:08, the aircraft crashed into Pico Alto at an altitude of 1,795 feet. The impact occurred in a level attitude, resulting in the total destruction of the aircraft. All 137 passengers and 7 crew members is dead. No survivors in this accident. An investigation concluded that the crash was primarily due to the crew's failure to properly manage the descent and heed the warnings from the aircraft's safety systems. The investigation also noted the contributing factors of miscommunication and inadequate crew training. This tragedy remains one of the deadliest aviation accidents in Portugal, emphasizing the need for effective communication and rigorous training in aviation protocols. A Flight 1851 memorial was also created to commemorate the accident incident,